Welcome back to the page, guys. I hope you're all well. Now, on my way to the unit this morning, the back of the E39 felt a little bit soft, a little bit squidgy. And by the time I got here, which was about 5 minutes ago, I got out of the car and the driver's side rear wheel, as you'll be able to see, was completely flat. Now, I've already spoke to my friend Nath, as he works in a tyre bay, and he does have a pair of part warns that are the correct size for the rims on the E39. So I thought, what better thing to do than for you guys to come with me while we go and get the rear tyres swapped over. So that's exactly what we're going to be doing in this video. We're going to be getting the spare wheel put on now very quickly. I've already got a jack here with a wheel gun. So we're going to be getting the spare wheel put on, like I say, pretty quick. We're going to jump in the car. We're going to head over to see Nath, and then Nath is going to get both the tyres swapped for me. Now, this isn't ideal. No one really wants to deal with this sort of stuff first thing in the morning, but we don't really have a choice. So let's not waste any more time. Let's just grab these, get outside and get this wheel swapped over. So after getting the spare fitted and getting the car back on the floor, it's just my luck that the spare wheel was flat as well. So after getting it inflated, we are now finally able to go and visit Nath. Now, there is another reason why I wanted to go and visit him, but that reason will become clear later on in the video. And if you want to find out that, you'll have to stick around till the end. And of course, I didn't go by myself. Ozzy had to come for the ride. But now that we've arrived, let's go and see if Nath can swap these tyres for me. Big dog. Press them all. That tyre is absolutely yeah, that one, come on. I mean, it's comfy on these tyres though, isn't it? Oh, bro, it's like driving on a cloud, man. Compared to the other one. Unless they're staggered, then the rear should be 9s. That is absolutely mullered. It's, whoops. If you want too many burnouts on that. How bad's that one? Got cords coming out here. It's not too bad. A couple more burnouts left in there. What do you reckon, bro? There's a couple more burnouts left in there, isn't there? Yeah. Wait for the bang. Nice. 70 psi for ultimate skids. That's what I used to do in my old TDS, man. 60 psi in the back tyres. Slap it in there and just nail it.
X5 before me, was it?
It's now E60 M5, is it?
He wanted my 535, and then I said, I've got an E60 M5 from everybody after one. He said, oh, I'm listening.
Oh, the dude from Ireland's bought it?
Yeah.
So where's the X5 now then?
Norfolk.
What do you do a deal like?
Just sold it cash. It's a bit sad. The tiny ripple in the passenger door, it should put me out. I said, don't have it then. I said, you've said it drives perfect, it looks perfect. He's made come down to his X5 as well.
If the only thing you can knock it on is a ripple in the door, like it was a tidy car, man. It actually was, like really tidy.
I said, man, I told you about far left. I ain't taking less than 17, and I'd be more than buzzing if you didn't have it inside of the car, so I'll have to drive home in it. I said, I'll drive home now. Do 16.
What did you do, drive it all up? Oh, no, you didn't drive it
I was doing to 40 services.
Ah, yeah.
So if it's 16.5, I said, come on, let's go now. No. I said, mate, you can offer me 16,999.
And it's not happening.
Yeah, it's not happening.
It's 17,000, or it stays where it is.
I seen a black one, it's mapped up. I understand it because I'd rather map it myself. I don't know what the maps are like. Do you know actually where I found it? I got my tattoo done. I thought, do you know what? I'm going to have a look on piston heads.
Man, I haven't heard anyone mention piston heads for years, like years. It's like swaps. Who goes on swaps nowadays?
I'm sorry, I thought, I'll have a look on piston heads because nobody uses it anymore. Not a mark on it.
Yeah, I've got the cream, man. That'd be black within about 30 seconds.
It's white.
Oh, is it white?
Yeah.
Oh.
Yeah. Big old. And look, I've got a car seat cover.
That movement in the wheel, that's factory. That's how it should be. Better. Ish. We now have actual rubber.
He looks so chill.
Who, the dog?
Proper relaxed.
Say cheese.
Yeah.
Say bones.
Is he not?
I wouldn't put your hand in there.
Yeah.
You'll have no hand left.
Yeah, Nate, give us your hand. I've had him growl at me many times.
Yeah, if you ever need security, let me know. I'll bring him down.
So yeah.
Nicely.
Nicely. When you're at the unit in person, he's fucking soft as shit.
Well, I've had him since he was 6 weeks old. And he's 7 this year. So is the front going to be black?
Yeah.
Of course it is. That was a stupid question, weren't it?
Yeah, very. Yeah, it's a comp as well, so it's got better suspension, you get more angle when you go sideways. It's fucking if you do that under the back bumper and the boot opens. Heads up display, soft closed doors, adaptive suspension, fucking do it. Full works.
It's an E60 on steroids, isn't it?
Yeah, pretty much.
Because to be fair, the E60's interiors, they are a bit...
Dated.
Yeah, now they are.
Very dated. That many people trying to race me on the move about it today.
So now that Nath sorted out the tyres on the E39, the other reason why I wanted to come and visit him, like I said earlier on in the video, was the fact that he has just sold his X5, as you probably heard us talking about, and he has bought this F10 M5. So I think there's only one thing left to do. Let's check it out.
The E60 is stunning car, though, just
Not a daily driver, no.
The gearbox is too clunky, whereas that, like, it feels electric. You can't even feel the gear changes.
Yeah, they are a bit harsh, aren't they, an E60? The thing is, it's 20-year-old technology. Do you know what I mean? Yeah. Back 20 years ago, fine, bang on, whereas now, it's...
Sometimes it's good, sometimes it's...
Sometimes very good, sometimes very...
You bang that second gear, you best hold on. Took mum dead out, and my dad's smoking his mum was in the back like, oh my god! I don't slow down!
Absolutely cacking himself.
Yeah.
And your dad's there just laughing his head off, grin from ear to ear.
His eyebrows going up like smoking his bollocks off
I seen him the other day, to be fair. I think it was in the Ranger.
Trying to sell that.
Best thing he could ever do.
I was looking at him, but I know you'd slap me for that. I was looking at the big Vogues.
No. They're the worst thing in the world to do. They're
Range Rover's no good.
they're cack, man.
He's chilled now, bless him.
We go back to the garage, yeah? Right, much appreciated. Safe as hell. Safe as hell. Take it easy. So now that I am back at the unit and we have got the tyres sorted on the E39, it is time for me to go and crack on with the work that I've got to get done today, as trying to get everything done and make the content to keep you guys entertained is a full-time job in itself. So if you've enjoyed watching this video, I'd really appreciate it if you could just hit that like button. If you haven't already, now would be a great opportunity for you to hit that subscribe button while you're there. So it is going to be a wrap. So as always, thanks for watching, thanks for following, and I'll see you lot in the next one. Altogether, mint.
I'm so damn,